Yes.
No. We were just avoiding being filmed.
That wasn't brought back. Oh, it wasn't. No.
He's just handed him some lubricant.
Perfect.
That's normal. Right. Okay. I'm just going right, guys. Here are electric classic cars. Yes, I am indeed. So yeah, they're quite liking the Morgan. Okay, so today I am here. I will show you what I'm here specifically to see in a moment. But I'm going to give you a bit of a rundown. So that's Moggy's 928 that he's fartassing around with at the moment, and yeah, doing sacrilege. What's sacrilege? Is sacrilege? You shouldn't. What would the word be? Oh, Julian, your grammar, your vocabulary is far too small. Yeah, sacrilegious. He's doing sacrilegious things with the Porsche. That's what he's saying. Look at that SL. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful, reliable, and yeah, and quiet. So, just a quick run down the line. So, lovely split screen. The other one that was in here is gone. That is almost done and ready to go. And then you've got these two Defenders. Okay, so the twisted Defenders that are now being converted to electric. Then you've got the customer 928 is sat there, and the reason why I'm here is because of that and because of that. So my teaser project. So the body's not the body, but yeah, we are marrying some bits together that haven't been married together before. It's not going to be produced in the same way as those Landys are. Yeah, we're doing some different bits to the Land Rover, so that's why I'm here chatting with John and Rich, catch up on some bits. Yeah, but whilst I'm here, obviously just getting very excited about lots of lovely cars, and a car under the cover I'm not going to show you, and there's another car down it, and there's another car down the end that I'm not showing you either. But, yeah. Which is Land Rover. Oh, I love the interior of this. Let's have a look. Is it open? It is, of course. Look how simplistic it all is. That is what I'm going for. That's what every Land Rover should be like. Simple and easy breezy. Right, that's it. That's me. Just a 3-minute walk around. Thank you.